Welcome to MarineMax of Minnesota. My name is Josh Simonson. Today I want to walk you through today a 2023 Nautique G25. The G25 is the biggest in the G lineup, and this is a phenomenal boat for surfing, wakeboarding, tubing, just hanging out with the family. So lots to talk about, lots to see. Come on along with me. So along the side here, you got the nice white. You got an accent of the gray up on top with a black hull bottom here. So great tower, fits in really nicely. Then when we come back to the transom of the boat, we've got the nice swim platform here. This was put a ladder optioned out for that. And then underneath the boat, so we have the nice Nautique surf pipe, so all the emissions goes underneath and bubbles up behind you, does not come back on the rider's face. I've got my Nautique steering assist. The Nautique steering assist is this nice thruster in the back here. It lets you push a button, you can go to 360, you can go backwards in a straight line. Just really nice to have around docks, lifts, things like that. So real fan of that. You got the underwater lights optioned out. And then Nautique surf system, so the NSS and the NCRS, the Nautique Configurable Running Surface. Those two work in tandem together to create your surf waves and your wakeboard wakes. So that's what's kind of nice about this. And then the NCRS also helps with just getting your boat up on plane and then keeping that bow down when you're into a hard turn. So lots going on down here. Up in the back, we've got the nice seats. So if you're just hanging out, chilling with your family, you've got the nice seats in the back. You can chill. There's a nice cooler underneath here. Put some ice in there, put your drinks in there. Great place to hang out. So lots to see on the interior. Come on aboard. All right, welcome aboard this 2023 G25 from Nautique. So the G25 is a massive boat. We've got plenty of space here in the cockpit area, but we'll start back here. Love the center walkthrough, all the sea decking that they put throughout this boat. You got sea decking for stepping in and out of the boat. You've got sea decking over here, so getting on the boat, you do not have to step on any of your cushions getting on or off the boat, which is phenomenal. The G's all come with subfloor ballast, so you do not have any ballast bags in the back. This is complete storage, super deep, goes all the way through on this side and all the way through on this side. So really nice to have that. Then you got some other seating options. The way it was sitting, it's all flat, ready to go. I can get some the backrest seating here. This pops up. This pops up. So when you're surfing and wakeboarding, everybody's facing the show in the back. You have tons of space. You've got everything on hinges. Sea decking all the way through underneath. So storage everywhere in this G25. On both sides, we've got cup holders. So I've got 3 cup holders on that side, 3 cup holders on that side. We've got phone holders, a couple phone holders here, a couple on that side, and a couple places to plug them in for your passengers. As you can see on those cup holders, I have the lighting on right now. The LED lighting will come on. You can change that to any color you would like within the color wheel in the system. So that's kind of nice to have. Up here on the tower, we have the strapless board racks. You stick your board right in here, lift this up, and then put it up, and it'll hold it right in place. Obviously rotating inside to out. We've got the 8.8-inch JL drivers up on the tower. They do have down lighting. There's some lighting on the back side here and on this side as well. Really bright at night. Nice to have if you're going to hang out for a night cruise. And then the last up here is the bimini. So you got the bimini boot on here. You pull that off. There is a wing that opens up, locks into that side, locks into that side, covers the inside of this cockpit area, and you get 2 wakeboard racks. All right, and the last thing I want to mention is the bimini up here. So we got our bimini boot on here. You pull that off, and then you open up the wing on this side and the wing on this side, lock them into place on the tower. And then also up on top, you have storage for a couple surfboards. So those strap in, nice place for those. Back down here in the seating area, I've got some nice storage right up underneath this seat right here. We have the cover in here right now. There is a subwoofer underneath there. This boat is equipped with two 12-inch subwoofers from JL Audio. I have access to my trash can right in here. I can also access it in there. This opens up here, so I've got some storage in here for a phone or just miscellaneous items. Let's take a look at the helm area. So I got the beautiful helm seat. It's a race car inspired helm seat. It's really tall here in the back, so when you sit in it, you're really protected in here. And then when someone's driving, you have this little cutout right here. Easy to drive, look forward, and still converse with your passengers. And if you come on this side a little bit, I can show you. This is the 12.4-inch link pan array system. Everything you're going to need on this boat is right here. You can see we have our reverse cam that comes on automatically. I have access to some different things. I got some lighting in the boat. I got a driver's heated seat, lighting up on the tower, a heated fan, those I'll turn on, dock lighting, and then also underwater lights. So at a touch of a button, I can get it right there. When I'm ready to surf, I can hit this button on this guy over here. I can click to wake surf. I can activate. I would fill everything, and it just sets itself up. Puts it at 11.6 for your speed. Very easy, very simple to get yourself set for surfing or wakeboarding, whatever it is. So, awesome system. Up in the bow, in the G25, this is where there's just tons of space up here. I've got full seats here. I've got a seat here. This is my filler cushion. It can be used for two ways. So right now it's got the sea deck. I can step out of the boat without stepping on any cushions because this cushion comes up as well. When I'm ready to sit up here, I can actually just pull these up, flip this over, and you've got this on the other side. So you can fill it in. I've got a couple armrests that pop up in this boat as well. So G25 here at our Rogers location. Still tons of time to come out, take a look at this boat. We'd love to show it to you. Call us to set up an appointment or just stop on by. We'd love to show it to you. And as always, please click the like button for this video and also click to subscribe to see all the videos we're putting out daily.